Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can touch up your makeup on CapCut easily. So you can just select enhance here. There's also going to be a button when you select new projects, so the enhance button isn't up here. Just select your project with like the picture. Let me just delete the style that I added on. Okay, then you are going to select the picture, so select it, go to enhance, and here's where you can go to face and select makeup and add in makeup. Well, she already has makeup on and doesn't need it, but just for an example, you can add in like a set of makeup. This is the schoolgirl one, and if you only want to add in eyelashes, you can just add eyelashes without adding the full makeup, like so. You can also just add eyeshadow if you want to. You can adjust the opacity of the eyeshadow here, and as well as the lipstick, you can add in like a lipstick to it, and again adjust the opacity here. Once you're done, you're going to just press the checkmark button, but you can also like retouch the face and stuff, but I'm just going to press the checkmark button. I just changed the color of her lips. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!